Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Gotham font in Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Gotham is a popular, clean, and professional font, but it is not available by default in Canva due to licensing restrictions. However, you can still use Gotham in Canva by uploading the font manually, as long as you have the proper license and a Canva Pro account. First, make sure you have Canva Pro. Canva only allows custom font uploads for Pro, Teams, or Enterprise users. If you are using the free version, you won't be able to upload Gotham, and you'll need to use a similar alternative instead. Next, download the Gotham font files from a legitimate source where you've purchased or been granted a license. The font usually comes in .otf or .ttf format, which are both supported by Canva. Make sure the files are extracted and ready on your computer before moving forward. Now open Canva and log into your account. On the Canva homepage, click on Brand from the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Fonts area and click on it. Here, scroll down and click on Manage Upload Fonts. Select the Gotham font files from your computer and upload them. Canva may ask you to confirm that you have the right to use this font. Accept the prompt to continue. Once the upload is complete, open any design in Canva. Click on the text option and add a heading or body text. When you open the font drop-down menu, scroll down to your uploaded fonts section. You will now see Gotham listed there. Select it, and your text will instantly switch to the Gotham font. If you don't have Canva Pro or don't want to upload fonts, you can use Gotham alternatives available in Canva, such as Montserrat, Poppins, Railway, or League Spartan. These fonts have a similar modern and geometric look and work well for logos, presentations, and social media designs. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Gotham font in Canva. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.